Yo, welcome back to Miller Majesty Mentorship on Beginners to Pro. So this is the fifth lesson out of 15. So we are going to be discussing about reorder block. So during our last video we discussed about order block. If you are here to watch the video, please do so to watch it, because this is just like the continuation of it. So let's just go into the video right now. So when we discuss about reorder block, there are two major things that we have to take note of. We have discount and then premium. So I'm going to like to be telling you guys what is discount and also what is premium. Then I'll show you guys on chart and how to make use of it. So what's a discount? A discount is a term that denotes a condition in which the expected future price for a currency is less than the spot price. It indicates that the current domestic exchange rate is going to decline against another currency. So let's discuss about premium. So when you discuss about premium is a situation in which the expected future price for a currency is greater than the spot price. It indicates that the current domestic exchange rate is going to increase against the other currency. So what does the two mean? Discount mean when price is very cheap, you understand, that is when you can buy, and then premium mean when price is very expensive, that is when you can sell in order to make profit. So on chart, if you want to like to take a buy position or a sell position, you have to wait patiently for price to return back to a discount level when the price is very cheap. That is when you can buy in order to make profit. And also if you want to sell a position, you have to wait patiently for price to enter a premium level. That is when you can sell the position. So because that is when institutional traders, smart money, place their sell position. So you have to make use of any other block you find out inside discount or premium, depends on the direction you are going to. So that's just for that. So we have two tools that show us either price is in discount or premium, which are Gambler's Fibonacci retracement. So I'm just like to taking you guys on how to set your Fibonacci and then how to make use of it, and also Gambler's. So let's just go into our chart right now. You can see these are our chart. If you go to your tools right now, you can just find Gambler's is going to be in this area of Fibonacci retracement. You're going to see your Gambler's. Can you see Gambler's? Just click on it and then move it. Your horn is not going to display like this. Your horn is going to display like your own is going to display like this, you understand. So let me just take you guys on it and how to set it up, you understand, because I've set mine, so you also have to set your own. So you can see this is the style, this is the coordinate, and then this is the visibility. Then this style you are going to remove, you are going to leave this 0, you understand, then remove this one, then remove this one, also remove this one, leave this 0.5, then remove this one. Then all this left label, remove the left label, right label you can leave it, background you can leave it, leave the background. Yeah, so this time level, remove every single thing you see here, you understand, so you don't need it, remove every single thing. Then this top level, remove it, top label, remove it, bottom label, remove it, and also background, remove it. So just leave it like that. Then you can change the color. I always use green as my premium, and also I use red as my discount. So change the first one to green or red, it all depends on the color you want. And then this one you can leave it as green also, but let me use this, you understand. So that just click on OK, you can see it's set, you understand. So every single time price get into this green area, it's our premium, and then every single time price get into this red place is our discount. So if I see any other block in either of the two, it all depends on the direction that price is going to, I'm going to go for it. So that's just the how to know the reorder block. And also if you click on Fibonacci retracement, I'm not this Fibonacci retracement, then if you want to see how I set mine, you can see it here. This is 0, you can see all the way I set mine, so you also can set yours like that. So just remove all this one downward, background you don't need it, reversal price you don't need this, then price level I use percentage for mine, you can see left stop. So just set yours like this. So I'm going to like to be taking you guys on how to make use of it. I don't want the video to be long, that's why I'm going to give you how to set it from the beginning. So every single time we have a break construction in the market, we have to use either this Fibonacci retracement or Gambler's to know baby prices in discount or premium, you understand. Then we are going to take our entry, because most of the time according to the definition of other block, like for example bullish order block, let me just find the bullish moment here. So we have what, a break of structure here. Can you all see we have what, a break of structure here? We have discussed about this in our other video, in our previous video. You can see that price is going all the way bearish before, so price want to change direction, that is going up, you understand? So when you talk about order block, like bullish order block says the last bearish candle that break the market structure higher. So if you have to like check all these, we have a multiple last bearish candle, so you don't know the one to go for. We have these this is a bearish candle, this is a bearish candle, this is a bearish candle, and also this is a bearish candle. We have up to 4 bearish candles, so we don't know the one to go for, you understand? You can't just like be going for this, or we have other block here, or we have other block here. You're going to lose a lot of money doing that. So with the help of this Fibonacci retracement and gambles, you can know the right one to go for, you understand? We have, sorry, so we have another one here. Just imagine you don't know what has happened in this area. A lot of traders are going to be going for each one of them, and then at the end of the day they can end up losing what money, you understand? Because they don't understand the one to go for, and then the reason why to go for it, you understand? So that's just it. So you can see we have 1 2 3 4, we have 4 other block here which are responsible for the break of structure. And then according to the definition of other block, bullish order block, it said the last bearish candle that break the market structure higher. So how to know the one to go for? We have to make use of our gambles and also our Fibonacci retracement. So let me just delete every single thing here, sorry. So if you want to make use of our gambles, you're going to choose your gambles, and then you're going to draw from the beginning of the high to the what, to the low. So that's just it. Then you can see, oh, this price is what is in discount. So this one is still in premium. We are expecting price to get to discount. Discount is just like when you want to buy something and then that thing is too expensive, you can't buy at that current price. You're going to wait a little bit for price to return back to discount, or probably I think Black Friday. Just imagine you want to buy something, you wait for Black Friday, you wait for when it's cheap, you understand? That is when you can buy. Also, it's applicable to trading. Every single time you want to buy a particular price level, you want to buy, you have to wait for the price to enter a discount level. So once price get into a discount level, you can buy from there, you understand? So that's just it. So you can choose you can see we have sorry, so we have this one is in premium, so it's not advisable for you to buy here. This one is in between premium and discount, so you can buy also here. So this one is in discount. We have 1 and 2 inside what, our discount level. So how to know the one to go for? You have to make use of what, our Fibonacci to support this. So when you click on your what, Fibonacci retracement, sorry, when you click on your Fibonacci retracement, it's going to tell you the one to use exactly also, you understand? So whenever you want to use Fibonacci, you are going to be using any order block above 62% level. So you can see this one is just in between the 62% level, so you're going to be going for the last one. So you're going to highlight only this last one out as what, your bullish order block, and then you're going to set up what, your entry and your stop loss in the beginning and the low. So let me just delete this. You have make use of them. Oh, sorry. So you're going to set up your entry here. You're going to set up your entry, then your stop loss, and then with expectation that price is going to go what, above this previous high. So I've told you guys that every single time you want to set up what, your take profit, always set it in the previous high. But once you understand higher time frame perspective, you can still leave your trade to run to a higher time frame. You can take your profit using higher time frame. And then if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now, because I'm still going to upload a video on time frame, because you're going to be catching all these single move. You can see price still go above it very high. Can you see? Oh, sorry, price still go above it very high. So once you understand higher time frame perspective, you can be taking a very huge ratio. This one ratio level, just imagine you risking 1% of your account, making 11% within a single trade. So that just it. Don't forget to like this video also. That is the only way you can appreciate me and then encourage me to do more of this video. So that's just for that. So let me just go for a bearish moment right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to trade like a bearish moment using gambles and Fibonacci. So right now let me discuss about premium. You can see we have a break of structure here. So I'll did a video on this. If you're yet to watch and this video on break of structure, please do so to watch it, because for better understanding. So we have what, a break of structure here, and then according to bearish order block says the last bullish candle that break the market structure lower, you understand. So we have how many bullish candle here? We have 1, we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4. So we don't know the exact one to go for. So with the help of Fibonacci and gambles, as we mentioned earlier, we're going to know the one to go for. So we are expecting price to enter what? Our premium. You understand? Can you see that this number 1 is still in what? In discount. So we can make use of this, and then this number 2 is in between premium and discount, so we can make use of it. So this number 3, we have number 3 here. So this number 3 is what? Is in this our premium, you understand. And then the 4th one also is what? Is in premium. So you have to align that one out. So we are going to make use of our what? Our Fibonacci retracement right now to know the exact one to go for. Draw your Fibonacci retracement. So we are expecting price to tap into what? Our 62% level. So this 62%, you can see this other block is what? Let me change the color of this other block so you can see very well. Let me make use of blue or red. Let me try something like red. Okay, so you can see this other block is still what? In our 62%, and also this last one, let me change the color also to, let me use orange. So you can see these two other blocks are in what? In 62% level and then 67. So the one to make use of, you can make use of the two, you understand. It all depends, even though you can see this one is tapping into it, but it's advisable for you to make use of what? The last one. So we are going to delete this one, and then we are going to wait patiently for price. Okay, let me delete this one. So we have gotten our other block that we want to use. Then we are going to wait patiently for price to return back to what? Our other block, and then we are going to set up our entry. Set up your entry here, then set your take profit, your stop loss, then your take profit. I've explained earlier, when you understand higher time frame perspective, you can set up your take profit at anywhere, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to set my take profit here. Then we are going to wait patiently for price to return back to what? Our other block. You can see that price is going to our direction right now. It's going to like our other block, so you're going to wait patiently for price to tap into our other block, and then from there we're going to wait for price to go to our take profit. So that just it. You can see that price is pushing back down to our take profit, and then it's going up a little bit. Okay, it's going back to our entry to tap the same level. So it's creating liquidity. You have discussed about this when we are discussing about liquidity, the reason why price just consolidating right now, because that price just consolidating, still going up. So let's just wait patiently. You can see it eats our take profit. So that is just for that. And then if you understand higher time frame perspective, I promise you guys that I'm still going to upload video on higher time frame. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then turn up your notification. Subscribe right now. That's the only way you can use to encourage me. Thank you for watching. See you guys at the top. Bye.